This is the latest version of Missio. Right now, we have a couple of different organizations that are loaded in. I'll go through very briefly one by one, starting with maybe CityDAO. I'm going to click in Missio. This is CityDAO data is being loaded in here. We're going to have an overview page where you can basically add whatever widgets you want. And the first thing we have is the activity side of things. So this activity is actually being loaded from both Discourse and this is from the Missio Discord. See, it's a little bit smaller now, but if you can see, there is like, this is a reply. Here's an example of a topic that's created inside of Discourse. The idea is we're consolidating all of this into one easy to see, easy to use activity timeline with filters and stuff like that. We'll also if there's a million Discord messages, they're going to be grouped together in conversations that we use AI to recognize. Let's say, for example, you want to return, this is Elasticsearch. So we want to return all the posts that are related to parcel zero. So this is like, okay, we see parcel zero is mentioned here. And this is an Elasticsearch. So it basically searches across everything. These are all posts that are related to parcel zero. So you should very easily be able to search by users. If I wanted to search for Aaron, there you go. It's also going to return posts that are created by Aaron. The other thing we're doing is you can actually click in and deep link to exactly where David posted this. If I go to David's username, I can actually look and see all the posts that David's created across platforms. So this is not just like the stuff that David's created across like Discourse. It's also anything that we can find on David. So whether it's Twitter, whether it's Discord messages, so we actually have like a graph algorithm for identity matching based off of the conversations, based off of different linking we can find inside of the graph. The most important thing is actually the insight side of things. Essentially, this is like conversation threading. So these are conversation threads that people are having that we can recognize are part of the same conversation. So whether or not it's on Twitter, Discourse, Discord, Reddit, any of these things, we can basically thread these and we can say, okay, these are all part of the same conversation. Therefore, they're all relevant. So you can very easily find relevant conversations. This is going to be significantly improved today. The good thing about the way we built this is we built it from the ground up. You can invite team members. So I can go in and I can assign different roles. I can invite different people. It all works really nicely. We're implementing notifications, stuff like that. Yeah, would love some feedback.